To develop the technology to meet these challenges, scientists must work in conditions that are similar to those found on the Moon. In fact, they need a lunar base on Earth. Meeting this critical need is the role of Pisces, the Pacific International Space Center for Exploration Systems, on the Big Island of Hawaii. Here, the barren soil, or regolith, is much like that of the Moon, and the landscape is covered by craters, rocks, and extremely fine volcanic ash. This environment soon will be home to a world-class moon laboratory where partners can create and test exciting new technologies. Pisces is working with state and local organizations to select the right site for the new lab, which will serve research scientists and engineers from around the globe. Involving all segments of the Hawaiian community enriches the journey for Pisces and its partners.
Hawaiian people came here from Polynesia, and they were contained on an island. They had oxygen, they had water, but they still had to take care of the land so that they could provide food for themselves. The ocean also. So it's the same principle. You take care of your area so that you can exist there and the area will sustain what you need. I believe that the Hawaiian culture, the people here can contribute a lot.
Building on Hawaii's culture and history of voyaging, native traditions are key concepts in the design of the Pisces facility, research projects, and educational programs. Pisces will provide scientists with moon-like resources for learning how to live off the land.
When we go to the moon this time, we can't take everything with us. We're going to sustain life there for many years. We have to learn how to make the materials that we need. We have to learn how to grow the food that we need, produce the energy to power the outpost. All of the things that we need for a civilization here on Earth, we need to learn how to replicate on the moon using lunar materials, and that's what ISRU is all about. Pisces will also be doing robotic testing, robotic development, since in the early years of the return to the moon we'll be doing a lot of robotic research. That's where companies can come in and benefit from dual-use technologies. That's one of the reasons companies, I think, will join us.
Located at the University of Hawaii at Hilo, Pisces was established through legislation in 2007. State leaders are positioning Pisces as the top space research facility in the U.S. and Pacific Rim, specializing in developing technologies to sustain life on the Moon and Mars.
There are tremendous resources here in Hilo, in the schools, in business organizations, in the local community, to involve Native Hawaiians. And we think that they especially will be interested in Pisces and will relate to this approach that we're taking, integrating everyone in the community to go on this exciting voyage.
It's one of those things that provides this kind of opportunities for young people to get involved. You can say, wow, that's the future. I want to get involved. I want Pisces to succeed because they will provide job opportunities, the kind of job opportunities that are important for us in the future.
Offering the ideal location for research and development, Pisces appeals to space agencies, aerospace and high-tech companies, space tourism leaders, and forward-thinking individuals and entrepreneurs around the world.